Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to AppSac's online support program. Students, this is third week of online learning and it's time for English language lecture for class 8. We are doing unit number 2, school days, and our today's topic is comprehension, Lucy and Lynn. And this topic is on page number 27 of student book. At the end of the lesson, students will be able to read the comprehension or listen to the audio track 2.3 and solve the given exercises in textbook. Success criteria. Read the text carefully, consult the dictionary to find out the meanings of difficult words, solve the given exercises carefully, make meaningful sentences to answer the questions. So boys, open your books at page number 27. I am sharing the picture of this comprehension as well in case you are not having your books. So first of all, I want all of you to focus on the title of the book, Lucy and Lynn. Make your anticipation or assumption about the title of the book or the content or the storyline of the book. When I saw the picture for the first time, I thought that it must be a story of some teenagers. What do you think? What are your thoughts? Okay, so after this short picture study, we are going to start reading. So let's move forward. Keep your pencils and pens in your hand to underline the difficult words. So let's start. Every so often, a novel comes along that will capture your imagination so much that you won't be able to put it down. Alice Pang's first novel for young adults, Lucy and Lynn, is certainly one of those books. And having just finished it, I know I'll be thinking about it for many weeks. Set in Melbourne, Australia, it tells the story of 15-year-old Lucy, an academically gifted teenager and the daughter of Chinese immigrant parents who work hard in low-paid jobs to support their daughter. When Lucy wins a scholarship to study at one of the city's top private schools, the Lorenda Academy, everyone thinks that this opportunity will be positive for both Lucy and her family. However, Lucy has to leave behind her old school and her old school friends, including Lynn, a determined girl whom Lucy looks up to. The story is told in a series of letters Lucy writes to Lynn. Life at Lucy's new school is far from easy. The students are wealthy and privileged and from very different backgrounds to Lucy. There are also many extra things students are expected to do, while Lucy simply can't afford. However, 3 of the school's most powerful girls, who are in a group called the Cabinet, make friends with Lucy and become her guide to the school. Lucy soon realizes how unpleasant the girls are to the school staff and their fellow students. As the story unfolds, Lucy begins to compare her home life, where her family eats dinner together on the floor and goes shopping in the cheapest shops, with the luxury and privilege of her classmates' lives. At first, this causes her embarrassment, but eventually she learns an important lesson about what is really important in life. Lucy's letters to her friend Lynn are beautifully written, full of moving and realistic descriptions, and mature observations of her life in and out of the school, while Lynn's replies, which Lucy imagines, are honest and straightforward. The characters are easy to identify with, and students around the world will be able to relate to Lucy's description of school life. Having the story told through letters works very well. But best of all, the plot is full of mystery and the story has plenty of genuine emotion. Alice Pang clearly understands the struggles teenage girls face, and in Lucy and Lynn, she expertly conveys this. It's an excellent read which you won't be putting down in a hurry. It's also a must for teenagers, parents and teachers, and I'm sure, like me, once you have read this novel, you will be waiting to see what Alice Pang writes next. So students, that was the comprehension. We have done the reading, and you can also listen to the audio track. So after reading, you have to find out the meanings of difficult words or new words from the dictionary. I have taken some of the words out of the comprehension for you, and these meanings are in front of you. The words are capture, it means attract, imagination, ideas or images, privileged, prosperous, determined, purposeful, mystery, secret, genuine, real, plot, main events of novel or story, academically related to education, eventually, after some time or after a while, description, explanation, and teenager, younger, or a person from 13 to 19. So let's focus on some important points of the lesson. Lucy and Lynn is a must-read for teenagers as it unfolds the mental and psychological development of teenagers. It depicts how family backgrounds affect the psyche of teenagers like Lucy. It highlights an important aspect of life, that a true and loyal friend can provide peace and become source of relaxation in bad times. So after reading this, you will come to page number 26 to solve the exercises. Here you will solve exercise 3 and 4. Exercise 3 is read and listen to the book review and circle the answer that isn't correct. So you have to mark the wrong option in this question. And then question number 4 is read the book review again. Complete each sentence with 1 or 2 words from the book review. So in this exercise, they have taken some of the sentences from the comprehension and you have to complete them with the correct word from the comprehension. So you have to reread the review or reread the lesson which they have given. That's all from our side. Thank you so much.